Autonomous mobile robots often face situations beyond their program capabilities, leading to downtime and the need for on-site operator intervention. Here in the Industry and Innovation Laboratory at INESC Tech, we developed a cutting-edge system that uses state-of-the-art technology to solve these problems. When a mobile robot detects an anomaly, it sends a teleoperation request to the operator. The operator then puts on the VR headset, immersing himself in an ultra-low-latency view of the robot, and makes the necessary adjustments remotely connected through a 5G network. By combining autonomy with strategic human oversight, robots can operate smoothly and undisturbed, while an operator remains ready to assist remotely whenever the situation demands it. With the 360 degrees camera and 2 limited field of view auxiliary cameras, this system offers superior depth perception and an accurate sense of presence. Operators control the robot with both a steering wheel and pedals, achieving responsive handling with a glass-to-glass latency as low as 200 milliseconds over 5G.